My name's Eric, as you all probably know. I'm going to be teaching an organic chemistry class on naming some simple chemical structures. Do you guys know what organic chemistry is? I know you do, because you take the class. Anyone want to have any guesses?
Something with carbon based?
Yes. It's the chemistry of carbon. And this, up here, this is what people are afraid of in chemistry. This has nothing to do with organic chemistry that I'm with. It's a lot more simple than it sounds. You mentioned carbon. That's the main one. So that's right up here. There's some other elements involved, mostly non-metals, which are all these in here, but we're just going to be talking about a couple. So there's carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, and then this group called halogens, which all kind of have similar properties. And there's also hydrogen, which is a big one, but we won't really go into that. So just to see, it can make 4 bonds. So it can make a bond on 4 different areas. Let's say that. So nitrogen, which is the next one over, can make 3, and then this side's pretty satisfying. Oxygen can make 2. And anyone want to guess what?
1.
78.
1, correct. Oh. This is kind of long to write, right? So there are simpler ways of drawing molecular structure that represents a carbon. So this is 2 carbons, and if it were to have a bend, it would be
3 carbons.
3 carbons. And it had another 4. If I had a structure like this, how many carbons would it be?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
If you have 1 carbon, what's the prefix? Do you guys, anyone know? Method. So the prefix is meth. Not that stuff on Breaking Bad. So anyone want to guess what 2 is? You got this now. 3 is rho. 4. So if we had a substance like this, what would that be called?
X.
X. And then what's the end? The end is A and E. So you take this prefix
Hexane.
and you
It's
add
always A and E.
Yeah, you add A and E. So this is hexane. And when it's in a structure that's linear, there's nothing else attached to it, you give the prefix N. So this is N hexane.
Is that a real thing?
That is a real.
That an N.
Does it ever, that branch, does it ever turn into another linear structure, like the one below it? Where it was such squigglies?
So if you, are you talking like,
Yeah.
as long as it obeys the bonding rules,
Yeah.
yeah, it's possible. It's possible, it's possible. In the structure, there are numbered carbons off the main chains. This is the first, second, third, fourth, fifth. So this methyl group lies on the second carbon. So we call this 2-methyl hexane. 2, like she said, the prefix is di. If we have 3,
Try. 4 is tert.
no.
4 is a tert.
4 is tetra.
Oh.
Tetris.
Mm-hmm.
Because it's on 4 cubes.
Yes.
It is?
I know, I put that together.
Alright.
I
I
think
think
it is. 5 is penta, but we won't go.
Cinco.
Right? Like try math.
So first you number them, right? So you start with the lowest. 2,
2-methyl.
3,
Oh.
4. Then what?
Try.
Tri, methyl.
Methyl.
So tri, methyl, and What is this? A pentan.
Because there's 5 total?
Yeah.
Okay, hang on, let me look at that.
Yeah.
Wait, you literally say 2, 3, 4 trimethyl?
Yes.
At,
What would be listed first?
Well, couldn't it also be a 4, 5, 6? Because if you count it that way.
That'd be incorrect. You want the lowest numbers. So if you had 4, 5, 6, it'd add up to a higher number than 2, 3.
Well, yeah.
So it's 2, 3, 4, right?
It's 2, 3, 4. Those are the carbons that they're attached to.
Mm-hmm.
But that's not how it's listed. So the first group that would be listed is the ethyl. Because E in the alphabet comes before M. So you want to do it alphabetically, right? So this would be 4
Ethyl.
ethyl,
2, 3.
2, 3 methyl.
Dimethyl.
Dimethyl.
Sydney's got
Oh, yeah.
dimethyl what?
Let it be shown that I am the star student.
Noted.
1, 2,
Can we get it right now?
no, that'd be
Heptane. So
heptane.
this is heptane.
Yeah.
All right, we start with the first in the alphabet, which is
Butyl.
butyl. This is the butyl group. So this is the first carbon. Where do we go from there?
To
Why
ethyl.
is that butyl?
Because there's 4.
Oh, I thought we were counting that corner there. Is that's already counted for? Okay, so 1, 2,
So this whole ring, all right this time.
Right, I was counting the string starting out where that 1 is, so then I came up with 5, but I guess I was
Okay, where do we go next?
Ethyl.
Well, we have to go in order.
No,
So one of these,
no.
either this or this has to be 2.
Oh, yeah.
This is 2. So numbers, the sum of all the numbers
Wait, which
comes
one?
first in the rules.
Oh, you don't continue that pattern then and go to the.
That the first rule, the main rule you look at is the sum of all numbers. And if you could go either way and the numbers would add up to the same amount, like if I were to put another thing here, then I can go this way or this way. But since M comes before P, I'm going this way. There's a method group here. Or ethyl.
So this would have, they both have 2 then.
Yeah.
If I'm not mistaken, like that.
So that's excellent.
3, 6, 6, 2, 3, 6, 6. Dude, that's killing me. 2, 3, 6, 6. That would be 4. So tetrameth, methyl. Say that all together.
Forgot the
Why is there?
There's a continued. Come on.
octane.
Ethyl octane.
2366 tetramethyl octane. 7-methyl 4,2-O.
How do you do 7-methyl?
7 because it starts.
Oh, you have to go around the.
Alright, anyway, we won't get into that. That, if you want to understand that, that's pretty fun too. Take OChem with lovely Ashley over there.
It is
Great
really
teacher.
fun.
Let's give her a round of applause. Wasn't for her, I wouldn't be, teaching the best class in the universe. All right. Well, thank you all
Thank you.
for coming.
Thank you.
Thank you.